As you're climbing, how do you balance being more passive while not allowing the enemy team to take advantage of you being too passive on defense? I'm a D2 controller, and I've been struggling recently on defense in Diamond. I think in terms of balancing aggression, what I would do is I would start organizing pushes. This is what I do sometimes in my games, particularly when I play with like Jordan and Travis and stuff. I think that just doing an organized push on something in defense with like 2 players can work out really, really well. It can really catch them off guard. And that's what I'll generally do when I feel like we're struggling in like one case or another. I'll be like, hey guys, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go long. And I'm gonna push this with somebody, okay? Somebody op it, and I'm gonna play aggressive. I'm gonna push up, okay? And I'll have like Jordan sitting with his op, and he'll be waiting, and I'll be pushing up long. And oftentimes we can get a kill on somebody who's just like not expecting it. Or what I did is what I do if I have a Phoenix or something, I'll be like, hey Phoenix, they've been pushing up middle a lot on bind. We're gonna go into hookah and give it like 2 seconds, and then you're gonna blind, and we'll swing it together, okay? And he'll do it, and we'll get like a double kill or something, and it'll be awesome, right? And just like organizing those things where rather than just letting them take all of the aggression and letting them do everything, start organizing things together. Don't do it alone, because when you do it alone, you get picked, and then you lose the game for your team. But if you lose the game together, at least it was a team plan, right? At least you tried to organize something and you tried to make it work. And I find that when you do these things together, it works a lot better. I've always had the belief it is better to do the wrong thing as a team than it is to do the right thing alone, right? Thank you so much for this sub there, Vignes. I appreciate it, man. Casey, you're cute. I think you're cute, dude. I appreciate it. I'm putting you on the board, dude. No, if you want to play more, if you feel like you're playing too passive on defense, which a lot of players are. So here's the thing: if you play the same defense every single round, eventually they're gonna catch on to it and they're gonna figure out where you're weak. This is well, if they're good players, they'll probably pick up on it eventually. So you're gonna kind of want to like mix it up a little bit. Maybe you want to op a different location. Maybe you want to do something, right? On Ascent, what I'll do, what I talked about earlier, is I have that Omen play where I'll blind out of tunnels on B, and that'll oftentimes win me around. Like just straight up. If I organize with my team to push that location and I blind out of it, it can oftentimes win me games. And just like organizing little things like that within your team on defense can be incredibly beneficial. If you notice that there's a problem, if you notice that you're losing a lot of rounds, think of what can we switch right now that might help, and then try to do that. And it could be just trial and error too. Maybe you're struggling somewhere. Maybe you switch it up, and then maybe it doesn't work again, and then you switch it up again, right? It's just like if you're losing in the same way every single round, you got to do something different. And that's why that breach game that I showed earlier. I'll load it back up though, just for the purpose of this discussion. I was playing on my Smurf recently, and one of our teammates left. One of our teammates left, and I was getting really frustrated because they kept pushing mid, and I was so ready for them to push B. I was ready to just destroy them as they were pushing B, but they never came and pushed B. And I was getting frustrated, and I was like, you know what? If they're not going to push B, I'm going to go to them. So I went into middle, and I came in here, and I just give them a second. I give them a second, and I flashed it, and I went into middle, and I literally wiped these guys out. I just did a little transfer there, a little transfer, and I got the Sage kill. And I was like,
God, Case.
And then I got my hype man right there. I was just pissed off though. Like, you know, I was really angry. I was like, if they're not gonna come to me, I'm going to them. So I went and found them, right? Flash it again. I ended up doing it again too.
140 brim.
One enemy remaining.
Not my best play, but it worked out. This was like a gold game. I was really pissed off. But that was on my Smurf. I just I got irritated, right? But if you're losing in the same way every single time, fix it up. Get aggressive on them. Catch them off guard. Especially if you have Breach, dude. Breach is like the best agent in the game for counter aggression. Breach or Omen. I think that they're both very strong. Breach can be like freaking crazy though. If you're pushing into a Breach and he's angry, he's coming at you, he can trash on you. Sage is like, Sage counters aggression like a different way, like she slows it down and stuff. So if you're gonna play aggressive, she'll like slow you down and stuff. I mean like pushing back into you. like if you're pushing into a Breach, he can ulti you and he'll just be coming at you, dude. Like Raze would be another one. Yeah, Raze is very strong. Raze or Sage will shut down a push, but I don't think that she's better for pushing into you. Breach is the guy who's like he'll come at you.
Do you need a warm-up game, Casey, or are we diving right in?
I'm on my Smurf, so we can do whatever, dude. That's all on you, buddy.
Alright, so we're diving right in.
So we're diving right in. Heard.
When I'm playing on my Smurf, I don't accept any responsibility for carrying. That's all on you guys.
Isn't that the point of you smurfing for me?
You'd think it would be the other way around, but like I don't know. You're fighting for your rank, buddy. You gotta carry yourself, okay? I'll help. I'll be there.
Gold, dude.
But...
all my life aspirations have become complete. Savvy.
I'm stuck in a slump slash lose streak. Any tips? What? I'm in a slump right now too, actually. And what I've been doing is I'm just playing on my
Cool, you
Smurf.
get the bomb. Then.
I'll play on my Smurf. I'll play unrated games. Spike Rush.
I would never
Make
give
sure
the
you
bomb
warm
to
up before
somebody
each
who's
game.
savvy.
Homie,
I'm gonna need you to calm down. Take
I had to
some,
mute you, dude.
Good, man.
My gold 1 friend is bottom fragging and my bronze 2 friend is top fragging. I think there's a lot of different skills that come into playing the game than like just raw aim. He might just be a better aimer, but maybe he's not a better communicator. Maybe he gets tilted really easily. Maybe when he's playing against good players. I don't know. I don't know exactly. It happens. Sometimes people have good games. There's a lot of different reasons it could be.
I'll get some phone
Bad
garage.
day, good
But
day,
you
yeah,
want to
stuff
bet
like that.
that jet bot or not?
We all play together and communicate. It just happens, right? Jordan's gold 3 and he outfrags me sometimes. Like, it's not like just because somebody's a higher rank means that they should necessarily be getting more kills, and just because they have more kills doesn't mean that they're necessarily playing better. Right? What the fuck?
Spike Rush.
One mid window. There's one in window.
Last player
window.
standing.
Oh, that window.
Yeah.
I thought you meant garage window.
No, the window behind us.
No, that was my bad.
Oh my gosh.
Because the Judge for sure has an op.
She must be A long, I think. That's okay though. We have a Jordan. Go get him, buddy. Can't hear me right now, but go get him, buddy. He's totally gonna die. I have like 0 faith. Oh, he's insane.
Nice. I think this drone's gonna be.
Race plays short, I think.
There's a wall
There's a
here.
wall.
Sage is here. Sage
Okay,
is here.
shit. I can flash this in. We're probably getting flanked too. Oh yeah, I want somebody to flank. You wanna get flashed in? Something we
Yeah,
want.
do it.
Okay, wait. I don't know good flashes here. Okay, go for it, guys. I flashed Jordan.
Charges.
Yo, I'm gonna ulti you.
You're right.
Flash out.
One enemy remaining.
Your left.
He's gonna be coming from spawn.
Spike planted.
I mean, I would like to have money. Oh, that's actually we're good. We're good.
Sorry, Dom. I totally
no,
annihilated you. I was like, this is a really good opportunity, but Dom's gonna get it fucking killed.
She's on the right. She's on.
Nice.
We're on B.
Flash out. Blasting.
One garage.
Somebody CT.
He's
Lockdown.
grass.
Watch your B entrance. Yeah. Sage is there.
Fuck, he's got a shotty. He's gonna pick up my Vandal.
I'm stuck on the
player
fucking
standing.
corner.
Sage has lived for 70.
One enemy remaining.
No.
Sure.
Nice try.
Are you from NA? I am. I'm NA. From North Dakota specifically. Which nobody's from. Nobody's from North Dakota, dude.
We just need to get 4 rounds.
But notice that this is the worst part about creating
This is a
content in a
different
state
game on
like
CT.
North Dakota. Didn't I mute you? They could have an op, so you're gonna be challenging an op right here. Are you up for the challenge?
It's an op versus
I am.
op, dog.
Okay, let's see it, buddy.
Let's see it.
Here, I helped you. Oh no, I didn't.
I missed.
She'll repeak. She'll repeak. She will. I can concuss her. You want it? Okay, hit it.
She's right there.
She's lit for 70 at least.
Blinding.
Sage wall went up.
That motherfucker. He was blinded. Oh, she's close right.
Clearing out.
Jordan, if you had landed that shot, none of us would have died there. I'm just like, I just want to say
Player
that.
Standing.
That was a really hard angle.
That's okay. Free plant. All intended. All part of the plan.
I've never seen someone play that small of a little slit.
Revealing area.
Does Jordan buy an op or does he buy me a gun? One of the two.
Cause I'm a cowboy.
He buys me a gun. What a guy.
And I'm steel horse I ride.
And I'm wanted.
No.
Want it.
Dead or alive. You're on the sheriff. Is that why?
No. I was gonna try.
He's just like Bon Jovi.
I was gonna try, and then I didn't have enough money, so I bought a
Joke's
frenzy.
over. You're
They were talking about buffing breach.
What are we doing?
Mid-tierish. That's what people are saying. I think that breach is like close to being broken though, so it's kind of hard to tell. Like if they buff him too hard, then he's gonna be crazy, right?
Footsteps today.
Many enemies.
Flash out.
Spike down.
Blinding.
Oh, I wasn't ready, Jordan. Why'd you die?
Last
Oh,
player
no.
standing.
Breach to Immortal. I think breach is super fun, dude.
No.
I prefer to play breach over Phoenix. I've been trying to play Phoenix, and every
So
time I
gotta
play
tell
him, I
me
just
twice.
struggle. But breach, I'm just like flashbang, punch him in the face, uppercut. Like I don't know. He's just breach is a fun time.
3 post Bob Marshall.
Are we forcing?
Should we?
Probably. It's
No.
310, honestly.
Jordan, switch spots side with me.
I'm gonna buy my sheriff. I'm a cowboy.
Oh, what?
Flash out. Blinding.
Oh no. Oh no.
So that
Oh,
Short.
okay.
Revealing area.
Oh, what's going on?
One enemy remaining.
I'm doing a full
Sammy!
Sammy!
spikes down. I don't know where this guy is though.
Spike's gone.
Last enemy.
Sammy! I unmuted him, but he was really annoying at the start of the game.
He wasn't even that annoying. He just got irritated.
He just breathes into his microphone, dude. Just like he literally did
More annoying
that.
than Sammy was at the beginning of this game.
I will mute you instantly for that. Like, that is unexcusable. They drop
They
spike
dropped
outside
spike.
of
Flash out.
C. Nice.
I'm the best. There's one more though.
See long?
It makes
Flash.
that stage.
Blinding. Grabber.
Enemy kill.
Oh, he's lit 110. 110 long.
One enemy remaining.
You're insane, Savvy. Last one's lit 110.
Oh,
Oh, sorry, pretty boy.
Just a gun in garage.
Good double stack there. I like it. When you ready to carry me? I don't carry. I'm not very good, but I'll play
I
with
shot Sage in her face. Are you guys proud of me?
you. Travis is my carry, dude. Look at him.
I'm always proud of you.
I perform just well enough to pull my weight, generally. I will pull my weight. I will not pull anymore. I'm not a carry.
Jet was for sure in garage.
Yeah, she's still in there. She's got to be in there.
One enemy remaining.
Last one. Out window.
She's garage.
Passing.
Keep our eyes on her, boys.
Clearing out.
30 seconds left.
Hello? I hate this wall pen here, dude.
Spam it, Jordan. Oh, I thought you got it.
Oh, this is the only
I
fan.
thought it
Look
was
at
cool.
this thing.
How
This thing's so
close was
sexy. This makes me want to get it.
Looks pretty cool.
Ooh, that was pretty close.
Can we trade for a round? Can we trade for a round?
The one
Just
that's sounding
match,
so
please?
familiar. I
Can
played with him
second?
before. Have you?
Buddy, pal.
How do you know? How do you know it's the same
Who are
one?
you talking to?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I want to use that gun.
No, I haven't used it yet. Streamer privilege, buddy.
I said you just used it. What do you mean?
No, I said I've never used it. My match history. What's your name in game zero?
We'll bring it back.
That doesn't do damage pre-round anymore.
You just wasted your ability, nerd.
Get out of my way.
I wasted 7 more times. Watch me.
Fuck.
She's
One
117.
enemy remaining.
She's dead. She was short somewhere. No idea though now.
Passing.
Do you guys have spike or
I
not?
don't think so.
It's short.
With your tiptoeing.
Oh, look at that. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
That's
That's,
actually so cool. Oh my god. That's so much better than the
Full
fucking
race.
dragon.
That's $30 right there.
Now watch this. We got this.
Flash out. Let's go.
Okay. Jeez.
Oh no, I should have killed literally all of them right there. That was unfortunate. This is what I'm saying. My aim's not crazy, so I do a lot of those things where I'm just like, I knew they
The
were
most
there, so I just
awkward
ulted it.
shit.
But like, even though I set myself up for it, I can't land it, right? If I was like, if I was a crazy player, I'm Shroud, I'm Scream, I wipe all those guys out. I'm just not. I landed the ulti, I set myself up for the play, I did the abilities, but I mucked it up, dude. That's okay though. Eventually I'll get there, you know. I've landed some cool clips. can't get them all.
Blinding.
10 seconds left.
Concussing.
Enemy spotted.
Spike planted.
Oh god.
Fire in the hole.
One enemy remaining.
What is going on, dude? How much do you light those guys up for? He's hell. He's hell. He's hell. He's hell. Savvy. 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 He's hell. He's hell. He's hell. Savvy. Savvy. He's hell. He's hell. He's in hell. Savvy. Savvy. Somebody tell him he's in hell. Okay.
Maybe if you unmuted him, you'd know.
One of you can make the call out too.
I didn't know if he was there or not. You were the only one.
Flash out.
I'm ulti.
Let's go. You're nothing.
Last player standing.
Eliminate.
One enemy remaining.
I will not
Should have probably
spike
slowed
you.
that shit off, dude.
Flash out.
I'm gushing it.
Blasting.
Blinding backside.
Blinding.
Spike down. I have the spike.
Heaven.
Our carrier's dead.
I don't have any more util. One's heaven. Do we have any smokes or anything?
Too late. Forever.
Last player standing.
Dusted.
One
My
enemy
ult's
remaining.
ready. Let's go.
No! Oh my god, dude. I thought she was gonna jump out of the window. That seemed like the
Switching
logical
sides.
conclusion.
Match
But-
point.
I guess not, dude. It don't be like that.
They're gonna go B off that, right?
I didn't pick anything.
Dead. Flash out.
What is he doing? He just pushed alone?
Blinding. Clearing out.
Oh, they're all on!
10 seconds left.
Enemy spotted.
Concussing.
I see the spike.
She's tagged. Oh god.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god.
Switching sides.
No, we don't draw this shit, dude. We gotta keep this going. No! No! God damn it! Oh, I wanted to go. Okay.
Let's keep it going.
Keep it going?
Keep it going.